3 and 30 pounds bottom round roast, seasoned with salt all over, granulated garlic, granulated onions, chili powder, paprika. Make sure to spread the seasonings all over the meat. I also like using turmeric powder because it's good for you. Omit if you don't like it, but trust me guys, my seasonings are really good. Now season it with black pepper, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. I use these seasonings for steaks, prime rib, and roasted turkey. After seasoning, put it in the fridge overnight uncovered. Leave it at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before roasting. Then coat or brush the meat with oil. I will cook this in the oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3.5 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare roast. Immediately cover the roast with foil to trap the heat after taking it out of the oven. Heat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the roast rest for 15 to 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reads 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the foil and the thermometer from the roast and place it back into the oven. Cook on high heat for 5 to 8 minutes or until a beautiful crust forms on the outside. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Serve with your favorite sides. Enjoy!